All right, we're going into the train tunnel. Now, supposedly there is a train coming at some point, so Mark and I may need to snug the wall. We may have to lay on the side of the wall for a bit. But hopefully we get through this. I don't know how deep it is.
There's something about walking on active fucking trash.
Can't be that far.
No, I'm not feeling real good about this.
I'm gonna go ahead. If you want to turn around, I'm going. I got pretty good gravel here. I got good light on my phone. See everything. Turn your flashlight on.
I'm not worried about